Well, you may have noticed, but I'm a little bit less active here on YouTube, and that's simply because I use the Tactifoz less than before, and because of that, he needs some TLC. The first thing I wanted to do was to swap my spare wheel, because I now run beautiful Sparco Terra and I do have a fifth one as a spare, so let's swap it. But the Tactifoz sitting outside all year long, the lock was stuck. I took care of it and decided to take care of every locks, one on the awning and two for the tread recovery boards. The spare tire carrier needs a new paint, but I will just clean it for today. Alright, that's way better. Another thing I wanted to take care of was swapping the recovery boards, because being under the sun every day the plastic fade, so rotating them once in a while is a good move. Custom desert tan paint is also getting weak. On a previous car wash, some of it came out, leaving the original green paint under it visible. So I decided to take care of it as well. I tried to make some kind of modern camo pattern. I don't know if it was a success or not. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. While the first layer was drying, I simply cleaned the interior of the trunk and doors. I'm always so impressed by how these forgotten areas get so dirty. After that, it was time for a second layer on the hood. I directly removed the masking and voila! Yes, at the end it looks a bit like a weird heart rather than a camo pattern. But hey, I tried. You can also see how bad the rattle can paint faded away after 5 years. Because yes, I used the same paint color. Repainting the interior car is definitely on my to-do list. After that, I decided to pop the hood, because under it it's getting dirty pretty quick. It wasn't a full detailing, but just a quick wash to get rid of 80% of the dirt, and it's way better like that. Another thing that really annoyed me so much was the LED light bar wire that goes along the windshield. It just moved everywhere, especially in the highways, got stuck in branches during trail drive, and even got caught on the window when closing the door. So I cleaned everything up and applied some old specific glue I had left. Now it's time for the rooftop tent. It also stays in top of the Tactifoz all year round, so it needs some fresh air. The weather was pretty good for that. Sunny, dry air and a bit of wind. So I opened it up and removed the mattress to make sure everything was dry and fresh. It's always a bit complicated to do that by yourself, but as you can see, it's doable and a little bit funny, maybe more for you. To protect the Tactifoz a bit more, I bought a cover, but a smaller one that only covers the top of the vehicle to avoid getting the moisture trapped because the car is not sitting on concrete floor. This will protect essentially against the sun and the rain and also leaves that are falling from the trees. The fitment is not perfect and you have to make it a bit better. Well, that's it. I gave the Tactifoz a bit of the TLC deserves. It was a great day taking care of it, and probably just like you miss the adventure videos, I also miss going on an adventure with it. I hope you enjoyed this calm and relaxing video, and stay tuned because more is coming.